Welcome to my channel. So last week I was scooping a plant perch of my local Facebook page and I won a pin of a variegated billy. I thought, this is the only plant that I will not be able to purchase because it is so expensive. So I went on eBay while I was at work and I was scooping through the listing and I saw this beautiful variegated billy. So I bid on it and turned out I was the winner. So the plant was shipped from LA to Delaware in just one day. The seller is very good at wrapping the plants and there was no damage on the leaves whatsoever. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Philodendron Billietiae Variegated with 8 beautiful leaves. The plant has a distinct 4 variegated leaf, but the rest of the leaf are actually pure cream, which is better than all green, in my opinion. The 2 largest leaves measured at 8 inches long. If you would like to see my plant collections, including plant unboxing videos, time-lapse, and plant-related project, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.